We were getting approached by a lot of potential customers asking if we had certain capabilities, which we didn't have at the time. It looked like there was a very large market that was available to us, so we chose to make the next step and go fully into the industrial laundry market. I had been researching the idea of going towards a tunnel for about almost a year. We found that due to the fact that we were heavily involved in the hospitality industry, processing mostly linens for hotels and motels, we were reaching capacity. We didn't have the ability really to take on any additional customers and do additional volume. We knew that we had to make a change, either to completely revamp our existing wash room or to make a major step, get into the 21st century by installing a CBW or a tunnel washer and get into a situation where we were much stronger into our green initiative with a lower labor rate and a lower utility cost. After doing thorough research, we did make the decision to go towards Girbau Industrial. There was some concern knowing that I was going to be the first Girbau tunnel line in the United States, but by the time I met with the executives involved, they did give me a comfortable feeling to where the decision was made to go in that direction, and there hasn't been any reservation since. One of the things that I think impressed us the most was the fact that once the decision was made, we were hoping that we wouldn't just be abandoned, and sure enough, we weren't. Prior to the installation of the tunnel washer, we were in a position where, especially during the height of season, we were forced to run our conventional wash line between 22 to 23 hours a day. We knew we were in trouble. That's why we took a look towards going to a much more modern, energy-efficient type of washing. At this point now, with the tunnel system, we are down to where we're running at approximately 8 to 9 hours a day and accomplishing everything that we were doing in the prior 20 to 23 hours a day. We used to use approximately 3 to 3.5 gallons of water per pound of laundry that we processed. We've now been able to bring it down to an average of 0.8 to 1 gallon per pound. We do feel we'll be down in the 0.6 to 0.7 gallon per pound by the time we're done fine-tuning the tunnel system. We were forced to run our conventional wash line 2 shifts a day, about 4 to sometimes 5 people per shift, which meant a total in the washroom to get out the necessary productivity of 8 to 10 people. Once we were able to finalize the installation of the tunnel washing system, we were able to, number one, cut down to 1 shift a day, which brought it down to a total of 1 person. We can now take on easily an additional 10, 15, 20,000 pounds a day of additional laundry work and increase the productivity of the facility, increase the pounds per operator hour that our people are helping us put out, and also obviously increase the bottom line of the company. One of the things that we thought was intriguing about the Girbau industrial tunnel system was the fact that it had as many programs that were available to us as possible. We are in the specialized industry of COG, customer-owned goods, which means that each one of my customers is giving me sheets, towels, pillowcases, and other items which they own. I need to be able to handle their needs, whatever they may be. If it's a thick towel, if it's a thin towel, in the drying process, if it's something that may have much more soil factor in it going through the tunnel washer itself. So we're able to fine-tune the tunnel and put in different programs for different customers and accomplish their individual goals and still keep our efficiency to the level that we wanted and needed. We have been very satisfied with the fact that even our customers have responded positively, indicating that the goods are brighter white, cleaner, and even softer than they had ever been in the past. So it's been a very positive response from our customers.